Welcome to your anatomy class. For this lesson, we're going to cover the different systems located within our body, the different senses, and different organs that belong to those systems. Are you ready? Okay, great. Well, in that case, we are going to cover the human body. Now, the human body is composed of 5 different systems. We have the circulatory system, the nervous system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, and the skeletal system. 5 different systems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, these different systems are in charge of different functions. So, for example, your skeletal system is in charge of your bones, how they connect, how they move, and keep your body structured. Well, not necessarily how they move, but how they keep your body structured. It gives support to your muscles and to your entire body, so that way you can stand up. The digestive system is in charge of everything that you eat, process for energy, and then remove from your body. Whatever you kind of get rid of and expel out. Your respiratory system is how you carry oxygen to the different organs inside of your body. It's how you inhale and exhale. So inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. That process helps to fuel your blood, your circulatory system, and bring oxygen to your brain and to other vital organs. Your nervous system is your sense of touch. That's the part of your brain that gives commands and orders or signals to your brain to tell you when something is hot or cold, or if something's causing you pain or pleasure. And then your circulatory system is your blood system. That's the one that gives your organs the sustenance that they need in order to continue completing their functions. So, we are thus going to discuss some of the organs found in these different systems. So first things first, we have the lungs. The lungs are organs found towards the back of your body, towards the back of your rib cage. So right about there. Your lungs are in charge of inhaling oxygen and then processing it into carbon dioxide. So which organ do you think, or which system do you think your lungs belong to? Your respiratory system. Very good. How about your heart? Your heart is a very strong organ that's about the size of your fist, and it pumps blood constantly. Which system do you think this organ belongs to? Your heart. Your circulatory system. Very good. Your brain. Your brain is kind of like the motherboard of your entire body. It sends signals, receives signals. It commands the way your body moves. Which system do you think receives and sends out orders to the rest of your body? Your nervous system. Very good. Here we have your stomach. Your stomach is where it processes foods, breaks them down into smaller molecules, and sends them to whichever organs might need the minerals, nutrients, you name it. Where do you think the stomach fits into among the 5 systems? That's right, your digestive system. Here we have your intestines. Your intestines likewise also process and filter out your foods. This is where we have a long passageway towards excreting or getting rid of some of the extra debris from the food that we don't need. So for example, if there was a lot of nasty junk food inside of whatever meal we ate, it'll most surely excrete all of that junk from your body, and it'll hurt just because your system doesn't like it. So where do you think your intestines belong to? Which of the 5 systems? Your digestive system. Very good. Your liver is also very important in processing and filtering out nasty stuff, toxins, poisons, things that aren't good for your body. It'll filter it out if it can. Sometimes you can do too much to it and it'll overload and it won't be able to do its job. It'll fail. When it fails, it's a very bad result. But it does its best to filter out all of the nasty things it doesn't want in your body. Where do you think your liver belongs to? Digestive system, very good. And here we have your bladder. Your bladder is what holds urine. It is what holds all of the nasty stuff that your liver filtered out. If your urine is very yellow, it means that you're drinking a lot of things that are not good for you. If it's very white, or clear rather, very sort of like light, then that means that you're drinking a lot of good things that your body needs, and it's not getting rid of anything bad. So what system does your bladder belong to? Your digestive system. Very good. Here we have your pancreas. Your pancreas, I believe, is also in charge of It's in charge of filtering out toxins as well, I think, or processing and breaking down fats. But yes, it's one of those two. And either way, where do you think the pancreas belongs to? Which system do you think it belongs to of the 5 systems that we have here? That's right, it belongs to your digestive system. There's a lot of organs that belong to your digestive system. Here we have your kidneys. Your kidneys also filter out nasty things from the foods that you eat. It helps to clean them out. Where do you think your kidneys belong to? Which of the 5 systems? Very good. Your digestive system. And down here, we have your skin, which is the largest organ in your body. That one was the doggy upstairs, that sound. The skin is the largest organ in your body. Which of the 5 systems do you think your skin belongs to as an organ? Your skin, you can touch it, you can feel it, and you can definitely sense a lot of the sensations that you input into it. Your nervous system. Very good. And where do you think your eyes belong to? Your eyes can definitely input information. It can process information, and it's connected to your brain. So where do you think it's located among the 5 systems? Your nervous system, correct. And your teeth. Your teeth are made out of calcium. That's why you have to drink a lot of calcium to keep your teeth strong and clean. And it's very bony, you could say. So where among the 5 systems do you think your teeth belong to? The skeletal system. Very good. Now, returning back to the nervous system, I'm going to recap the 5 senses with you. We have our sense of smell, so fuchi, we can smell things that are not necessarily pleasant to smell, or we can smell the roses and smell vanilla or lavender, and it smells great. It gives us a very calming feeling. Next, we have sight, so we can see things that are very pretty, or we can see things that are very ugly, or we can see things that are full of information that we need. Sight is another sense we use to understand our environment and what surrounds us. Touch. So I'm going to touch your cheek. Okay, did you feel that? Very good. Your brain sent a signal, or rather, the touch sent a signal to your brain to process that there is a finger touching your cheek. So that's how we also process our environment. Sense of taste, so we can taste things that are good, we can taste things that are bad. It tells us, once again, some information that our brain might need. And last but not least, hearing. So this entire time we've been learning, you've been listening to me, you've been hearing my voice, processing the information I've been conveying to you, and your brain has been making or slotting it into whatever folder it needs to process that information however it would like. Thank you for joining me during this lesson, and I hope you take care.